Hi, welcome to my channel Promising Creations. In this channel, I do upload pattern drafting and sewing tutorials once a week or twice a week. But in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to cut and draft a female pant. Please do watch at the end of this video. You will get it all. Also, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload. Like this video. And I would also like to interact with you in the comment section below as we go to our cutting table. Okay, this is the pattern that we drafted earlier. I have a video on how to draft this pattern. Now, this is the pocket, this is the back band, this is the front band, this is the pocket. I'm going to cut this into two. I'm going to cut this straight like this. One, that's the front band. Then the back band, I'm going to cut it on fold. Now this is the front pattern. This is the front side of the trouser. I drafted it in my previous video, and this is the back side. Now I'm going to place it on the fabric, then cut it. Then this is the fabric I'm going to place it. This is fabric we are going to use for this pattern. Now I'm going to place this, and for this sewing tutorial I'm going to place this pattern on the fabric. Then I will cut. After cutting, I will show you how it is. Okay, I am done cutting the pattern, placing the pattern on the fabric. I'm done cutting it. This is the pocket. I cut it into two pieces. This is the pocket. This is the pocket. I cut it into two pieces this way. And this is the band. I went ahead. This is the front band. I left it that way. Then the back band, I split it into two. Then place it in order to cut it in a straight line. I place it this way and cut it. Then I also cut it into two pieces, using the fabric also for lining for the band. Now this is the front side. This is the front side. I cut it into two. We have two pieces for the front side. And here is where I'm going to attach the pocket. Then this is the back side. This is the pattern. This is the fabric. I also cut it into two. Now I'm going to show you how we are going to attach the pocket. Now this is the front side. That's the place that we are going to attach the pocket. This is the pocket. Now you put it this way. You put it this way. Front side facing each other. You put it this way. I will use pin and hold it. Let's assume that we are sewing it now. This way. When you sew it this way, you sew it like this, then you turn it, you flip it up this way. You top stitch. Once you top stitch, you flip it inside this way. Then you fold the pocket and match it to this way. This is how it will look. This is how it will look this way. The same thing goes to the other leg of the trouser. And then you come here. This notch is for the dart. You sew your dart. The same thing goes to the back side. To the back side also, we are going to the place I notch for the dart. We are going to sew the dart. After attaching the pocket, I'll come and show you how attaching the pocket and sewing the dart. and also our band. I'll come and show you how it looks before we join it. Okay, I've gone ahead to attach the pocket to the front side of the trouser. This is how I attach it. I first of all sewed it together, then top stitch this way. You top stitch it this way. Then when you want to, after this, before you join the front side to the back side, you fold it this way. This is the pocket. You fold it this way. This way. This is how the back will look like. This way. When you fold it this way, this is how it will be. Then you sew it this way. You will not sew it together to the trouser, or if you like, you sew it together to the trouser. But I prefer joining it this way to this side before joining it to the trouser this way. And also, you join this waist side. This is the pocket. This is the front side. You join it this way. Then also I sew the dart for the back side. This is the dart for the back side because it's a female pants. Then I join the band. I use the fabric also as the lining. Then I use a feasible fleece interfacing for the lining instead of paper stay or gum stay. I use feasible interfacing. It's more relaxed and more comfortable for me. Now I'll go to the machine. Then I will. Okay, let me show you how to join the front and the back side. This is the back side. This is the front side. This is the other back side. You place it front side facing each other. You join it this way. First of all, you join it from here. From here, you join it to this place, to the cross line. From the waistline at the front side, you join it to the cross line first. The same thing goes to the front side of the trouser. This is the front side. Then you do it front side facing each other. This is also the front side. Join it this way. From the waist to the cross line, you also join both of them. Now I'll go to the machine and join them, both the pocket and the cross from the waist to the cross line. I'll come and show you how it is. Okay, I've attached the pocket this way. This is the inner side of the pocket, and I also give it a curve, that pocket curve inside. Then I join the two front side together this way, and also join the back side this way. Now I'm going to show you how to join both of them. This is the front side. This is the right side of the front pattern, and this is the right side of the back pattern. The right side will face each other. Then you put it this way. At the cross line, you open it up this way. This is the back cross. This is the front cross line. You match them together. You pin them this way. Then you go down. This way. This is the front side. This is the inner side. The back pattern, you join it together with the front pattern. This side too, you join them together this way. And when you want to sew from here down here and also from here down here. So there is no way that both of them will not match. Now I'm going to join. I will join here. After joining here, then I will hem the down part. I'm going to use a hemming gum on the down part. I'm not going to sew the down part. I'm going to use the hemming gum. And how to put the hemming gum so that it will not show and it will gum very well. This is you measure the length of the hemming side. Then you fold your hemming gum into two. Then you place it. You use a hot iron to gum them together. I'm going to the machine. After joining it, I'm going to hem it down. Come and show you how it is. Okay. I've joined it from here downward. From here to downward. And I open it up and iron it this way. I iron it this way. Then I hem it down. Now I'm not going to I'm not going to run any stitches on it. I've hemmed it, and that's all for that. Now we are going to take our measurements. Now this is the front, this is the back. I'm going to join it this way. I use our pin. You hold, let the both side edge of the waist. You hold it, you pin, you hold it this way. You also pin this way. Then to the down part, this way, to the down part here, you match them together. You also pin. Make sure that it matches very well this way. You pin. The other side, the same thing goes to the other side. Make sure that the down part, both of them are matching very well. You pin it this way. This way. You also pin here. Now we are going to take our measurement. Our measurement, we are going to start from the cross measurement. This is how you take the measurement, and it will fit very well. If you want it to be fitted pants for female, like this one I'm sewing now is a fitted pant for female. It's a fitted pant for female. Now I want it to be fitted. Now I'm going to shape it considering the measurements of the client. The waist measurement is after joining it this way. You take your waist measurement because the back will be bigger somehow. You place it this way. This is how you fold it. Then you take your body measurement. Here is our cross measurement. Our cross measurement is 24 divided by 2. We have 12 inches. From here, from this place here, this is our cross measurement here. We get our 12 inches here. These are 12 inches here. The knee measurement is 14 divided by 2 will give us 7. These are knee measurement here. We place our tape here to get our 7 inches. Now left with the 1 inches seam and 1 inch seam allowance. Then our ankle, or we'll call it our hemming side, is 12 inches divided by 2 will give us 6 inches. We place our tape here, get our 6 inches here. You join it to the waistline. You join it to the waistline this way. The same thing will also go. The same thing will go to the other side. You also take the same measurement on the other side. Then you stitch. Now I'm going to put a side zip. This is the zip I'm going to put at the side this way. At the side here. When I finish attaching it, I'll come and show you how it is. Now I'm going to the machine to fix it on. Okay, I'm done joining the whole part of the female pants. This is how I attach the zip at the side of the pocket. Then this is the hemming part of it. I'm not going to run any stitch on it. And this is how it is. This is the back side. This is the back side. This is how it is. Please do give it a trial. Try both the pattern. I will post both the pattern and the sewing. Do give it a trial. So you see that it's very simple and comfortable to cut and sew. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload. Please do like this video, and if there's any question, any suggestion, any request, please, I would like to see it in the comment section below. God bless you all. God bless you all as you watch. Bye.